Hi Brad, if you're a computer geek you might want to look at this thing. It's a handheld Wincnc Keypad. It's got all the same things as on the screen. If I push the home button, you can see the CNC does its home process. It'll come to me and it will go obviously touch the other limit switch. Sorry the camera's a bit close, but you get the gist. If I look down at the screen, it's X0, Y0. If I push the buttons, if I do Y, it goes away from me. X, I can do Z up and down. And all this is controlled by the pad here. If I bring it up close, I'm just pressing on this, you can see the screen. Let's go a bit further away. If I push, all these buttons are programmable. It says Y pause, but I've programmed that for laser on. So on the screen there you can see the laser on, laser off. You can hear it click, laser on. I can also say laser 0 XY, so therefore the head moves across to its position. You can see it's on the controller it's X0, Y0, and if I go to my screen I have X0, Y0 with 2 green boxes. I can back to the controller. I have A plus, A minus. A is for my so I can operate the recoil. I can start files, just like so here's all these other knobs, 1.1, 0.01, 0.001. So all these are the same as on the Wincnc screen. I have a park function which I have hooked up. It's a handy gadget. These are for sale by Joey. Cam Master sells them. It's basically the same as on your screen, except on a keypad. Really handy. Nice cord, nice telescopic cord, so not telescopic but coiled cord, so you can access all over the place. Okay, bye.